All right, guys, 2016 Mercedes C300 Turbo 2.0. Look at that. Gunmetal, like a bullet. Look at that. I like it. 2.0 Turbo. We got a converter up there somewhere, right there. Flex pipe, 2.5-inch pipe. And we added 3-inch instead of the first resonator, 3-inch instead of the second resonator. And then we got a cute little dump on it, because he cut the mufflers off and then melted it over here. He did it himself, as you guys can see. That's where he usually goes out duals. But he had it cut right there, facing straight actually, and then melted it. So it was like, we need to put you a dump on it, bro. So the only way it won't melt it, it'll point down. So it looks cool. So we got a cute little dump on it. And there's the 2 resonators that go on it. One on the bottom, and one on top. Really identical. Look at that. Looks a lot cooler, a lot nicer now. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, hit that subscribe. Not bad. Turbo takes all the sound away. It's crazy. It's not even loud, dude. Look. Wow. Here's sound decibels. 94. Again. Go ahead and back it out. C300 Mercedes Turbo 2.0. Sorry about that, guys, but they're doing construction up there. So, yeah, about that. Tone though, even though it's quiet. Let you guys hear on the inside. Straight type with a dump. Still not bad though. That's deep.